Alright, walking in. I had to get the golf cart, so didn't quite get to see the entrance, but here we go. Walking into our cabin. Beautiful. Green door. Alright, so you walk right in and you got this nice table. And a full refrigerator. Nothing in it. It's like 2-burner stove, and a microwave. Oh, and a freezer, yes.
So cool.
Let's get that ice going, right? Where? Coffee maker. Joffrey's. Looks like there's a nice setting board. Sink. Dishwasher. Toaster. Pull-out couch. Nice little area. Oh, and Hey Disney.
We can contact with the
And another area to put your stuff on. All right, let's see what's in here. Show me, show me, show me. What is this? Nice big bathroom. We got a sink. Oh, a bath. And of course a shower.
body wash, shampoo, air conditioner. They're all sea marine and sea salt.
We love that scent. Oh, and double toilet paper in case you need, double.
There's lots of extra towels in here and more toilet paper and tissues.
I don't think we'll run out. What do you think?
And in fact, lots of drawers.
Perfect. For
They're all the same
storage, we
size.
can put all our makeup.
Let's go see the next room.
Okay, come on, Jen.
It also has a door to the
That's locked up here. Oh no. Oh no, it's really hard. There we go.
Thing.
Grill, cool.
Hose.
Those.
And picnic table.
Okay. And you have bunk beds. And a nice bed.
There's a TV.
And a TV.
The remote will be right here.
Lots of drawers for us.
There's drawers.
Yep. And then what's this? Oh, more storage.
Yes.
Ah!
Extra pillow and blanket in here. And let's go keeping spot right there.
Safe and
And
iron. Right.
Maybe.
Wonderful.
And that's it.